Aboitiz Infracapital Economic Estates, we're serious about sustainability. And here at LIMA Estate, that commitment is now more tangible than ever. Last March 2025, we launched the Sustainability Hub at LIMA Estate, a dedicated facility for sustainable and responsible waste management solutions for our estate community. The hub is made up of 5 key components: a gray water recycling facility, plant nursery, materials recovery facility, composting facility, and the eco-materials facility. In this episode, we're taking a closer look at the eco-materials facility, where we give plastic waste a second life.
Here, we accept key plastic types like polyethylene terephthalate, often used in bottles, high-density polyethylene from jugs and containers, low-density polyethylene from plastic bags and wrappers, and polypropylene found in food tubs and bottle caps.
These are sorted, shredded into plastic laminates, mixed with other materials, molded, and cured.
Each day, the facility can process up to 1,000 kilograms of plastic waste, enough to produce 500 eco-bricks, 500 eco-casts, and 1,000 eco-pavers.
We use the same materials to build the facility itself. As you can see here, we use the eco-bricks as the building blocks for the columns, while here, we use the eco-casts as the walls of the office space inside the facility.
And since eco-pavers are ideal for sidewalks and pathwalks, they further enhance the walkable infrastructure across LIMA Estate.
You know what the best part is? It's that companies within our industrial hub can donate their plastic waste to this facility, helping reduce landfill waste and promote circular economy practices within the estate.
A huge thanks to our locators for joining and supporting this initiative.
Together, we're building more than infrastructure. We're building a future that's more responsible, circular, and sustainable.